slowly. Slowly push it up. Use a bit of a twisting motion. Slightly twist it. Okay, it's in position. You can see the two black ones align, so that's how you tell they're in position. And then move back to the other side. So you want to measure this. Click back to the along with the outlet. You got click here, and then this is the little clipper. Supposed to be like this. So to move it out, you can do this. Here we go. Just need a little tap. Make sure a little click on the top. There we go. Back on this side, just double check the pipe is secure, align with the other one. There you have how you get the outlet pipe installed back.